So this is how it starts. I'm literally just sitting in bed. I'm gonna be trying to make a video today, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have some ideas, but I think I'm gonna go scary. I have this mask, and it's actually from a movie. I think it's called You're Next, or at least that was the concept of it. My wife and I did this for Halloween. She actually has one over here too. So like we have these two masks, and we just painted them to, I don't know, look kind of scary. And like, so I don't know, I'm thinking like this could be like a mask that maybe I'm wearing, and like the whole concept is I'm gonna like break into this house or this building, and I don't know, my whole goal is just to get a Sprite or something like that. So I'm gonna keep it kind of dark and mysterious. So what I wanna do is actually wanna go outside my my apartment. My idea now, I don't wanna do this, but I wanted to make this whole area like dark. So I have to black that out, and I gotta black that out. That's the hard part, because that's a skylight. Now normally I would try to like hang like a giant piece of duvetine right here, and then I would also try to hang like duvetine on this thing, but I think I'm gonna just go up the fire escape and go ahead and go up in there and just kind of cover with like a sheet. So I think I'm gonna try that, and then I think I'll maybe get like a light and just do like a simple, kind of like mimicking this light right here, and just kind of make it like kind of spooky. I'll have the camera on the inside and just kind of looking at me, and I'll stand here, just kind of look spooky when I open up the door. So I have I kind of just have some random like sheets and stuff here. I'm gonna see if one of them can actually fit over that thing. And I got some clips and whatnot to kind of mount it, so. So I mean, I think it's fine. I kind of just covered it on the top like that. I don't know, I'm using like a regular sheet. I'm hoping it's light proof, but now I just gotta cover the window down there, so we'll see how that works. All right. I'm hoping it'll work. It's like a little curtain rod, so like it's a little spring tension thing, so it kind of should just sit right in there. Not bad. That works. I mean, the holes on the top, not a big deal. I got myself like a light here. It's at 5%. I want to make it warm, something like that. Be able to just mount this like this. I'm gonna do something kind of behind me while I'm standing there, so something like this. I'm also gonna angle it this way so that it has like this illuminated back wall, but then I'm kind of standing here in a shadow, you know what I mean? I'll be using the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K yet again, just because, I don't know, why not? I think I can just widen out a little bit, maybe tilt up. I also got a couple different weapons here. I have like an axe, so maybe I'll like hold the axe, or I also have, now I bought this one for the actual costume I was wearing, but you know, it's like a machete. I think a machete looks a little bit more menacing, so maybe I'll use that instead. I need a reason to come into my apartment. I'm just gonna go with the easy option and just get a Sprite or a Dr. Pepper. I've been doing that a lot. I don't know why I'm putting in a Dr. Pepper or a Sprite or whatever I have in my refrigerator, but it's just been like a running gag, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I gotta think of like something to maybe wear, jacket, something like that, you know. I got the black pants on already. So, you know, maybe I just kind of go with the kind of jean jacket with the knife and the mask kind of look, dude. I don't know, man. So I realized I need to black out the windows here in my living room because I see the light way over there kind of hitting and spilling all over the place. So that helps, but I'm still seeing spillage over here, so I don't know. Okay, you know what? It worked, so that's fine. So I think this works. And as I'm seeing in the monitor, it looks pretty good and pretty dark. And I think me just kind of standing there will be pretty good. Alright, so basically, just gonna do a different scene now where I figured out that I'm just gonna go ahead and walk in and grab Sprite or something. So that's my plan. So now is the annoying part of having to wrap out. So I gotta take everything down. It's always a little bit of a pain. I'll try to just like quickly kind of wrap up everything, you know, take down the curtains, open up doors. That's the process. And now we gotta sit here and I gotta go into my editing room. And now I gotta like sit here and edit with my cat. So that's like the fun part. Now I get to like sit here and just kind of chill. I just need to go get some music. I need some spooky music. I need some sound effects. I need just very simple. I'm keeping this video nice and short, maybe like a 60-second thing, and that's it. So I just gotta plug this thing in, download the media, and go with it. Once I actually finish the edit, then I'll just I'll go ahead and export it. I usually do 3 different files. I do one for Twitter, one for Instagram, and one as a 4K backup in case I want to do anything with it. I just make 4 copies. I send one over my my OneDrive or Google Drive, and I send that to my phone where I use a program on there to edit it down for Instagram. I cut it into usually however many sections it takes, and then I upload each video as a swiping kind of thing. Because if you don't do that and it's over 60 seconds or so, it doesn't really work out very well, and it ends up going to like a different area on Instagram that nobody really sees. So anyways, that's my whole thing. Appreciate you guys watching how I made this video today. Quite simple. So just wait for this thing to download. I'll edit, send it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.